So the last time I showed this car, it was blue, and this is a full custom paint color, which I'm gonna be doing one more color change. It's been a while since I post anything. I'm gonna be back posting again. As you can see, man, this paint is beautiful. The car is a little bit dirty right now because I've been, you know, doing the garage and stuff like that. So I still gotta finish up, you know. But the car looks amazing. It just need a wash. Everything is just perfect, man. Fits perfect. The paint is super straight. It's not wrap, it's paint. Like you can see, man, this thing is beautiful. So I did take the wing off because I gave that to my dad. But I'm getting a new wing. My bumper flew off. Gotta get a new bumper and paint that. But yeah, this is the car. It's a 2008. That's the inside. Not much done.